Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about how you can allow any unknown source app installation in your device Redmi 10A. So if in this device, if you are having problem related to the how you can install the unknown source app, so you can easily do this by the method as I will show you, and you will able to install the unknown sourced app in your device. Before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will know all about it. Let's watch the video.